strolled through the vibrant streets of Mumbai, my journey to the Ghoda Art Festival was adorned with iconic structures. The regal Bombay High Court stood proudly, echoing the city's legal history, passing by Bombay University. Its architecture whispered tales of academic brilliance amidst the bustling city. A kaleidoscope of color caught my eye. Rural women adorned in vibrant attire, a living contrast to the urban landscape. Their presence added to the touch of tradition to the modernity surrounding me. Approaching the festival venue, anticipation grew. Upon entering, I found myself immersed in a world of creativity. Art installations adorning the space, each telling a unique story. The festival became a canvas where imagination met reality. Leaving me captivated by the beauty of expression and the diverse cultures tapestry woven together. In a thought-provoking art installation, humans confined within a cage. Also, drawing attention to the impact of noise pollution. The installation invites reflection on an increasingly loud world, where the cacophony of urban life often imprisons us in a relentless symphony of sounds. As we explore the intricate details of green revolution through art, vibrant visuals and innovative displays showcases the transformative power of sustainable practices. This exhibition celebrates the stride towards a greener future, urging us to embrace environmental conscious choices for a harmonious coexistence with nature. poignant portrayal of plastic recycle. This installation portrays the journey of discarded plastic material, illustrating the potential for renewal and rebirth. Each piece signifies a second chance, a reminder of the collective responsibility we hold to reduce, reuse, and recycle in our pursuit of a cleaner, healthier planet. Through these powerful visual narratives, these art installations challenge us to confront pressing issues, fostering a collective awareness, which is positive changes in our relationship with the environment. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such content.